Hello, today we're going to talk about the verb have. 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 So we were talking about health problems like being sick, like when you have a stomachache, a toothache, you have a fever, a cough. So you always say, I have. I have. I have a fever. I have a cold. Okay? So, what happens when I want to say someone else has a fever or a cold? You say, for example, she. Do you say she have? Doesn't sound right. She, you say she has. She has a fever. He has a fever. It has. Now with the verb have, she, he, or it. Like, what is it? It could be a thing like it could be this. Like, it has a green tap. Now when you talk about fever, we are talking about people, so we probably just use she and he, okay? So, with the word have, we have I have. I have. You have or has. You have. You have. He or she has. So she has a cold. He has a fever. He has a stomachache. He has a toothache. So the only persons that in which we use the verb, the variation has, is with he or she. We also use it, but for a health problem, we're just going to use he or she. So then what else? What other persons we have? So I have, you have, we, many people and me. We have. Oh, sorry about my A's. I've been using the other type of A here. I have, you have, we have, they have. So you always use have when it's I, you, we, and they. Okay? And when it's she or he, you say she has, he has, he has. If it is two people, like two people that are she, so two ladies, you'd say they. You still say they have. Okay? I hope this helps. So for the exercise, the last exercise of your homework. So let's see if you can see there what I'm showing. So here it gives you a few options. It says writing, make sentences. Write 3 sentences. Who, verb, and what. So you have to write who is doing it, the verb, and what are they doing it. So Here we have a person that looks, to me, looks like a she. It's another she and a he. So you have to say here, what is the problem with her? So with her, you have to think, does she have a cold? Does she have a fever? Does she have an earache? So remember, with she or he, you say she has, he has. Now here, she's touching her head, so it looks like she has a problem with her head. So you have to think. And you have to think, right, if it is she, remember, she has. And then here is a he. We don't know, we have to think there. I don't know if it is like a problem with the stomach, or is he something that he's doing with his mouth. So there you have to write sentences with the health problems we have been practicing. Okay? Bye-bye.